Simple sentences for kids. I don't have time. I don't have time. What do you mean? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I am busy. I am busy. Come quickly. Come quickly. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, sir. Please say something. Please say something. I will come again. I will come again. Have patience. Have patience. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? Play with me. Play with me. I can help you. I can help you. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? The food is delicious. The food is delicious. When will you reach? When will you reach? I am on my way. I am on my way. See you later. See you later. Can you help me? Can you help me? Be quiet. Be quiet. Don't worry. Don't worry. Listen to me. Listen to me. How was your day? How was your day? Look at here. Look at here. Look at me. Look at me. I know. I know. I don't know. I don't know. I forgot. I forgot. I remember. I remember. What happened? What happened? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What did you eat? What did you eat? What is happening here? What is happening here? I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Let's play game. Let's play game. Never give up. Never give up. How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? This dress is dirty. This dress is dirty. Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. Is everything all right? Is everything all right? What's inside? What's inside? Please be seated. Please be seated. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. This is not fair. This is not fair. You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Get ready for school. Get ready for school. Read a book at night. Read a book at night. Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Don't play with mobile. Don't play with mobile. Why are you not answering? Why are you not answering? How was your day? How was your day? I check my emails. I check my emails. I charge my mobile. I charge my mobile. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's cook something. Let's cook something. I'll finish this task. I'll finish this task. I am feeling much better. I am feeling much better. I am shivering. I am shivering. I play with my doll. I play with my doll. I catch you later. I catch you later. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. I need a vacation. I need a vacation. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? I have no idea. I have no idea. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You do it yourself. You do it yourself. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. What is your problem? What is your problem? It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Are you joining us? Are you joining us? She is still not well. She is still not well. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.